So you want to make a servo mech. Today I'll show you how to make the animation using the new logic gates. Here's a demonstration of the logic gates working. What we'll need to make is this part of the mechanic. When I connected the input, it allowed for a toggle of the looping. Because they are NAND gates, it makes it so the first gate is always on unless an input activates it, which causes the delay to turn off and on and one just reverses the input to work better with the servos. Now if you copy it and add a delay, you'll have a 2-frame animation like how a 2D animation works. Here's an example of the frames, but I'll refer to them as poses. Now here's how to make it. Place 2 logic gates and a delay. Add an input. I suggest a button for mobile or a keybind. Bind the button / keybind to the first logic gates. Then bind the first logic gate to the delay and back. Then bind the delay to the last logic gate. Make both logic gates NAND gates. Test by pressing the button. It should act like this. Now we are going to make a more complex system for the animations. Delete the button and add a delay block. Bind like so and make sure they are at the same delay. Copy what you've made. These will be the poses. I'm making 4 poses, but you can do as much as you like. Bind each delay to the next. Place a logic gate here and make it a NAND gate. Bind it to the delay. Now add 2 delay blocks. Add a logic gate here and make it a NAND gate. Now bind the logic gates to the delay and the delay to the logic gate. Then bind the logic gate to the other delay and the other delay to the other gate. I forgot to do this, but connected the left delay to the right delay and add an input to the logic gate. Make this gate 0.05 delay. Count how many poses you have and divide by 2. Then check what delay you have for each pose and multiply that by the number you get when dividing, so you'll get the number you need for the first delay. I have 4 poses, so I would multiply the delay by 2. It should look like this. For example, if I wanted to make it 0.1 delay since I have 4 poses, I would multiply 0.1 by 2 to get my delay time for the one on the left. Let's say I wanted 8 poses, I would clone it and connected the gates. Since there's 8 gates, I would multiply the delay time by 4. I'm going to make it 0.05, which means the delay on the left will be 0.2. I can clone this once more and do the same formula. Here's the formula if it helps. Now here's a really bad example of how it works with servos. It pretty much just switches between poses for the animation. I forgot to record how to get into the test server since the update isn't out. But just scroll down to the description of the video and copy the link into a web browser. Make sure you are logged in. And scroll down to servers and join one of the servers. That's all. Thanks for watching.